When you start using CAMWorks, you'll find the learning curve is fast and painless. Since it's fully integrated into SolidWorks, all of the tools you need are right at your fingertips. CAMWorks includes its powerful automatic feature recognition technology, which saves you time by analyzing the model and defines actual machinable features, such as holes, slots, pockets, bosses, and tapered and filleted pockets. 2.5-axis milling includes automatic roughing, finishing, thread milling, as well as standard single-point cycles such as drilling, boring, reaming, and tapping to machine prismatic features. These cutting cycles provide fast, error-free toolpaths using standard as well as user-defined tools. CAMWorks allows you to take advantage of knowledge-based machining through its powerful and customizable technology database. CAMWorks can identify features that meet certain criteria and apply your company's best practices of cutting strategies, tools, and feeds and speeds. You can easily make adjustments and save those settings to be reused on similar features in the future. CAMWorks provides simulation where you can view the toolpath movements. CAMWorks compares the toolpath to the actual model, so you can clearly see any undercuts or overcuts and automatically check for possible collisions. When you're ready to start machining, all of your code is output at the push of the button. But what happens if there are design changes? Since CAMWorks has full associativity, toolpaths can be updated automatically, saving you lots of time. You can run other simulation to verify the results, and the updated code can once again be output with a single button. With CAMWorks 2.5-axis milling, you get fast, error-free toolpaths quickly and easily that give you consistent results.